Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Akinchan. Akinchan means do not possess anything material. Akinchana Gochara. Queen Kunti, when he was receiving Krishna, she said, my dear Krishna, you are Akinchana Gochara. You are realized by a person who has no material possession. And you have given us now so much material possession, how we can understand you? That was Kunti was regretting. That when we are in distress, you are always with us. Now you have given us kingdom and everything. Now we are going out to Dwarka. What is this, Krishna? Better let us go to again to that distress condition so that you may remain with us. Akinchana Gochara. Krishna is Akinchana Gochara. Anyone who wants to enjoy material life, it is not possible to become fully Krishna conscious. This is very secret. Therefore Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Niskinchanasya Bhagavad-bhajanonmukhasya. Bhagavad Bhajan, to become devotee, Krishna conscious, is meant for Niskinchanasya, one who does not possess anything in the material. That does not mean he should be poverty-stricken. No. He should know it fully, that nothing belongs to me, everything belongs to Krishna. I am simply his servant. This is called Akinja. If I think by keeping Krishna in front, let me possess some material things, that is another cheating. So you should be fully conscious that everything belongs to Krishna and nothing to us. Then Krishna becomes your Suhridaya. He takes charge. How? Your benefit will be there, ultimately. Tesham satadujuktanam bhajatam pritipudbhagam dadam. Pritipudbhagam. This is very great determination. Krishna, I simply want you. Nothing, anything else. Nothing. Na dharang, na janang, na sundaring, kabitang, va jagadisha. This is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's teaching. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has taught this philosophy. Repeated. Niskincanasya, Bhagavad Bhajan. Bhagavad Bhajan means he himself became Niskincan. He was Krishna himself, most opulent. Taktas, Surepsitas, Sudishtaja Surepsita Rajya King. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had the most beautiful wife, goddess of fortune, Vishnu Priya, Lakshmi Priya, but for the benefit of the whole world, although he is Krishna, he showed us the example. At the age of 24 years, he took sannyas. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.